In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to use Spocket with Shopify to streamline your dropshipping business operations. Today, we're going to learn how to install the Spocket app, connect it to your store, find and import products, edit and push them to your Shopify store, and how to manage orders effectively. Let's get started with installing the Spocket app. First things first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the Apps section. There, search for Spocket in the Shopify App Store. Once you've located the app, click either Add App or Install App. A prompt will come up requesting for authorizing permissions. It's important that you authorize the necessary permissions to connect your store successfully to the app. Now that the Spocket app is installed, you'll need to connect it to your store. You'll be prompted to either create a new Spocket account or log into an existing one. It's crucial to follow the on-screen prompts to properly link your Spocket account to your Shopify store. This ensures seamless communication between the platform and your store. The next step involves finding and importing products. On your Spocket dashboard, find and click the Search Products option. By using filters, you can easily find and select products based on various criteria, such as category, supplier location, the price range, among other factors. If there's a product that catches your eye and fits your store, simply click Add to Import List. Once you have added all the products you want to sell, it's time to edit and push them to Shopify. For this, you'll need to go to My Import List in the Spocket dashboard. Here you'll find all the products you added earlier, and you'll have the opportunity to edit their details, like the title, description, and images. This is an essential step as it allows you to make your products unique and SEO-friendly, increasing their visibility and attractiveness to potential customers. Furthermore, this step allows you to set your desired prices and profit margins to ensure a profitable venture. When you are satisfied with the edits, click Push to Store for each product you want to add to your Shopify store. Finally, let's look at how to manage orders. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, it will show up in both your Shopify admin and the Orders tab in your Spocket dashboard. Here's where Spocket truly shines. You can manage and fulfill your orders directly through the Spocket dashboard. This makes the whole process easier and more efficient. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use Spocket with Shopify. From installing the app to managing and fulfilling orders, these guidelines will aid you in making the most of both Spocket and Shopify for a seamless and profitable